Hi, this is Jeff from the IT department here to give you a WordPress training video on how to create a blog or news post for your WordPress site. So let's go ahead and get started. Right now we are in the information technology training WordPress site. And basically the tool that's inside of WordPress to use is basically, it's called posts, but you can use it for multiple things. You can use it for a blog, you can use it for news posts or whatever. So basically they're just like pages if you want to see what the difference is. But to basically get them started, if it's a news post or a blog, we're going to go ahead and make a pretend blog. You can go ahead and start by adding a new post, which I'm going to do here. And the first thing I like to do is categorize what exactly they are. So if you're going to use them for multiple things, I'm going to create a new category down here in this category window. And we're going to call this one blog. And we'll add the new category. We can also create one called news posts. So basically, when you create a post, you come over to the category and select which category you want this to be in. So we're going to call this blog 3. And I'm just going to write some random text here. And so basically just pretend like it's an actual blog or something like that. So you can do the same things within your blog, same thing you can do with pages. You can add pictures and such. I'll go ahead and add one here just so you get an idea of what it looks like. And obviously go to your media library here. We'll just upload this logo here and insert it into the post. So when you're done, you're going to publish this, and you can see it gives you a permalink up here. Here's your actual site. Now basically what the category does is it adds an extra section for this to go in, so it's just not a random page or anything like that, so they can go back and find them easier, and it keeps you organized. So there, I've created a blog post. You can view, I've made a couple others, which these aren't categorized, so let's go ahead and do that at this time. So if we go into an edit, let's put this in blog as well, and update. And this one as well, we'll just go ahead and edit it. And we will update this. So you can see that when I change it, it changes it into the blog format. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to our sidebar widget area. And I'm going to show you, I have this listed in here, but if you look in your available widgets, there is a recent post. Basically the easiest way to display your blog or your news post is to create a widget for this. And you see I've already done this. I called it IT blog, and it can show the number of posts. I only have 3, so basically just pulls any page, and it takes the most recent ones that you've done. So obviously if you've got news that you're doing, it's going to filter the old ones out and load the new ones first. And I'll show you what it looks like when we're done. As you can see down here, we've got our blog. You can just click on those, and there they are. They also have links here. Gives you dates when they're posted and who they're posted by. You can go back one. Here's another one I've done a few months back. Here's the very first one that I did that just test more or less. But they're listed here, and like I said, you can change this to news or whatever you'd like. So, but that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, please contact the IT help desk. Their phone number is 541-962-3111. Or you can send them an email at helpdesk@eou.edu. Also, another good resource to use is the WordPress training site and our training manual. And if you scroll all the way down to the bottom here, you're going to get into the advanced sections where we have a section about, there it is. And if you scroll down a little further, how to set up your WordPress site for blogs and news posts. So if you need to run through a tutorial on that, you can always go here. And this is the address, and that's the training manual. So thanks again for watching. We'll catch you later.